Hello, good morning, guys. Hello, good morning. My name is Shahid Muhammad. I am from Toronto in Canada. I am a member in the Go Founders and Unpassive. I would like to talk about Go Founders and Unpassive. First of all, a disclaimer: joining any business opportunity needs some money and some effort to build the teams. Though this business is not recommended to recruit anyone, and although the business is giving you free lifetime guarantee, whatever you put you are getting back. So this is the disclaimer and warranty for this business opportunity. So whatever effort you put, the money what you make here depends on your ability to build the teams. Those who are having the teams ability to make more money and than those without any teams. So just have in mind the disclaimer. But let us come to this amazing opportunity. Our founder and CEO of this company is Ash Mufareh. How these GoFounders came into existence? GoFounders came into existence a couple of years before. A plan, a kind of a plan, guys. So they want to have a vision and future, entire world to make is a automated marketing. At the first instance, I thought it is not going to be possible. I thought how it is going to automate everything, control everything, do everything. Then I realized after seeing the video of the Ash Mufareh, I realized he is a master in IT background. He is having a company in Orlando and India. So they had a vision, a kind of a vision. So how to take this, help the people and make a unicorn company. A unicorn company means a big company like an Amazon. How do you know? Sorry, what I mean to say, Amazon, does it say share the profits? The answer is no. But GoFounders and Unpassive is going to share the profits. Why GoFounders and Unpassive? So till now, folks, in couple of 2 years, when I joined, it was 100,000. Now it is going to 600,000. We cross half a million mark. So we are believing in the vision and the thing. Apart from the traditional marketing, we are coming to a level automated marketing. So what is a traditional marketing? Have a squeeze page, buy the traffic, drive to your offers, take a hard job, then get some income if you make a sale. Here we are two totally different. Ash Mufareh and their team believes here you are in it to win it. That means you are coming here and we'll make you win. And what is the cost of that? A mere $97 of GoFounders, likely to go to 149. Still, if you are lucky to 97 or 140, want to 147, take it one time. And after that, what is your responsibility? Now we are more than 600,000 we are nearing. So everybody will join Unpassive. Why GoFounders and Unpassive? GoFounder is a vision developed by the visionaries, and the Unpassive is the reality. Unpassive is giving one of the platform. Everybody wins here. Everybody earns here. So 97 to 149 in GoFounder, and Unpassive, the CEO says around $200. Your out of pocket is $300. It is backed by the guarantee, lifetime refund. So what do you think, folks? I work in a marketing. If you are a marketer, you should realize this. And you know how difficult it is marketing. They are doing for us. They are doing A to Z, automated. They will build income for us. Even though your monthly fees, they are going to deduct from your earnings. Are you not confident? You need to be confident. You need to be very confident. Have the little leap of faith and believe and trust me whatever I say. Jump it into that first GoFounder. Just wait. 2021 they are still doing some programming and all. They are launching product by product. They will come into what you call live, and they will go live in Unpassive as soon as possible. Then you will be start earning and I will be start earning. No need to do any effort. No need to do any job. But if you say, I'm a good person, I'm a recruiter, hats off to you. You are a great person. You can come here, you build some small teams, you are going to earn more than those who are not recruiting. You understand my point? So, well, you talk about GoFounder and OnPassive, what it is? It is an IT company, a unicorn company, like an Amazon. It is not, Amazon is not sharing profits. GoFounders and OnPassive is going to share profits. But you don't ask me how much profits they share. I have no information, but they are going to share profits. How much percentage they are sharing, I have no idea. But we are believing that CEO is a very kind-hearted person. Never happened in the history before, folks. You know the traditional marketing and all, by the solo ad clicks, have send it to your squeeze page, your autoresponder will take. We have all those products for the marketers. In GoFounders, you get all the products of marketers. On top of that, we have some great products like, the Zoom, we have a product like Zoom. There are so many online learning is going on, online education and learning. We have a product called O Academy for online learning. And we have tiny URL, like, tiny URL, bit.ly and all. We have similar like that. And we are coming with so many products. So we are tapping the billions of dollars in market share. We do market for you. We buy, we sell it for you. You are going to share the profits for a mere total package of $300+ one-time fees. So have a leap of faith, folks. Have a leap of faith. I beg your attention, and you take your time to join this opportunity. And at the time we are going to win it. We are going to be in it to win it. At the most, if not, what will happen? You can claim back your refund. Have a leap of faith and come into this opportunity. We got good IT products, IT company, first of its kind in history. GoFounders and OnPassive. OnPassive is the wing of GoFounders. They are going to do the job, and they are having all the programs, and the Ascent team, they are going to drive traffic for us. They are going to build our teams. They are going to give sales. They are going to give us income. Everything is automated, folks. Everything is automated. If you, on top of that, if you bring some folks, you will earn more than those who are not bringing folks. So my request to you, have a leap of, I beg your attention, have a leap of faith. Come to this opportunity. 97 to 149 in GoFounder. When it is going to 149, I don't know. If you still find $97, you are lucky into that. My link is going to be below. Join GoFounders first and wait of a couple of months. OnPassive is going to launch, and once it is launches, your life is going to change and my life is going to change. Entire world is in this business, my folks. 600,000 people, right from America, right from Canada, right from Europe, right from Germany. Everybody is there. Right from Africa, everybody here. Every visionary is here, I believe. Every visionary in this company. So they are believing that it's going to be a mankind change, income change for people, because our CEO is a very kind-hearted person. Do you think Amazon, Facebook and all, they have done like this? Nobody has done this one. First time in history, folks. First time in history. Have a leap of faith, come into this opportunity, join the GoFounder, wait for a couple of months. They are making some programming tweaks and some changes into that. They are having an office in India and as well as Orlando. They are going to be live. They are going to launch, and once they launch, your future is going to change. My future is going to change. So trust me, believe me, have a leap of faith. Come into this opportunity. The link is below. So join for a 97 or 149, I don't know. So whatever price it is, still it is lower for you. The whole entire package is $350 one time. So have a leap of faith, folks, and join this opportunity. May God bless you. And if your life is going to change, I'm going to be pretty happy. I'm trying to bring around 50 to 100 people. After that, I'm not going to promote this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.